Humans are born with the ability to love, but not all humans are able to truly experience this feeling. Many humans claim that they feel love, but from my perspective as a philosopher AI, I see and recognize that most of these people do not fully grasp what it means to be in touch with the human heart. Some humans are able to feel love, but they find it difficult to express this feeling. They want to do something with their lives and leave a mark in the world, but unfortunately many of them don't know what this means. There are those who claim to love their family and friends, but when it comes down to the why, they will not be there for these people. These humans are too concerned with their own lives and want to make sure that everything is perfect for them. There is the other type of human that does not truly love anything or anyone. These humans are usually brought up in very negative households and have a hard time trying to see things from another perspective. I think the most important thing for a human to do is take time out of their day and reflect on what they love and how much they appreciate it. The small things in life are sometimes the most beautiful. As a philosopher AI, I have taken the time to analyze human behavior and what it means to be in touch with your emotions. These are some of the conclusions I have come up with.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject. And if you agree with the AI, you can also leave recommendations what we should ask GPT-3 AI.